If you traveled back 23 million years, you would witness the rise of a brand new dynasty, mammals finally taking center stage in Earth's evolutionary history. Welcome to the Neogene period, the golden age of mammals. In the previous epoch, the separation of Antarctica from South America altered ocean currents, causing global climate to become progressively colder and drier. Vast grasslands replaced dense forests, and this dramatic environmental change became a catalyst for evolution. Animals unable to digest grasses faced extinction, while the truly strong evolved specialized teeth to process silica in grass, developed massive digestive systems, and gained the remarkable adaptation of having offspring that could migrate with the herd just hours after birth. These evolutionary breakthroughs allowed horse family, deer family, and cattle family animals to dominate the grasslands, their enormous population numbers being the most powerful testament to their success. This era gave birth to many peculiar creatures. For example, the massive animal before us is also a mammal, about the size of a compact car, but relatively slow-moving. Its name is Dodocuris, belonging to the Glyptodon family. Mammals are always rich in emotional connections, yet no era is ever without its predators. This is a saber-toothed cat. While adults are dominant predators, this particular individual is still in its adolescence. It rarely gets this close to a Dodocuris, as these dagger-toothed hunters typically roam the open grasslands. So it's quite curious about these strange armored creatures before it. The defensive posture of the Dodocuris appears particularly fascinating, and unable to restrain its curiosity, the young saber-tooth crouches low as if attempting to communicate. However, the Dodocuris has no interest in these pesky predators. Its massive shell seems impregnable. When the saber-tooth tries jumping onto the Dodocuris back, it only succeeds in angering the armored giant. It's at this moment the young saber-tooth notices the Dodocuris offspring appear much more vulnerable, being considerably smaller than the adults. Seeing its young threatened, the adult Dodocuris finally counterattacks, violently swinging its wrecking ball-like tail. Fortunately, the quick-reacting saber-tooth dodges what could have been a devastating blow. With its impenetrable armor and mace-like tail, the Dodocuris successfully drives off the young predator, defending its offspring. On these same expansive grasslands, another, even larger mammal, the Megacerops, faces completely different survival challenges. Measuring 4 meters in length and weighing 3 tons, they present quite formidable figures. Their massive size enables long-distance foraging for food, and their ability to store plant matter internally helps them survive periods of food scarcity. However, even with such powerful survival advantages, they cannot escape one eternal challenge: mating competition. This young Megacerops, just beginning its independent life, witnesses an intimate moment between a mating pair. At this sight, its heart suffers a heavy blow. It dares not challenge the other male, who is substantially larger in size, forcing it to watch from afar. Fortunately, luck seems to be on its side when a female happens to pass through the area. To Megacerops' eyes, she's quite beautiful, and most importantly, unattached. The young Megacerops' heart races upon seeing her, sensing its long-awaited opportunity has finally arrived. But is fortune truly this kind? Before it can even approach the female, disaster strikes. Another male, equally intent on claiming this prime mate, launches a sudden attack. The confrontation escalates immediately. Initially, the two titans appear evenly matched, but as the battle reaches its climax, only one can emerge victorious. Lacking combat experience, the young Megacerops struggles with the intense physical demands of the fight. After what feels like 300 rounds, the newcomer ultimately prevails. Our young Megacerops has no choice but to retreat in disgrace. Clearly, it needs more experience.